on, guys? It's about 9:30 here, Plymouth, Massachusetts. Blizzard Juno, and I told you guys. There we go, fog lights. What a difference that makes, huh? The stock fog lights on a Jeep, right? You know, fucking parking lights, regulars, high beams, regulars, fog lights. That's awesome. Anyway, I told you I would take you out. There's a driving ban that's going to be put into effect starting at midnight, so I might not be able to go out tomorrow. So I'm going to go out and have some fun tonight. I got my tow strap with me, so if somebody's stuck, or if I get stuck, heaven forbid, I can render some assistance. So let's go out here and play it safe, not fuck around, but let's see what's happening out in the neighborhood. There's a good solid 4 inches on the ground. Roadways are plowed, but as you can see, it's not like it's pavement here. Looks like they are. Oh, not some grip. Wow, this road sucks. This isn't plowed at all. Cop sitting there, by the way. That was pretty funny. Be right back, folks. Alright, got my coffee. One for right now, one for later. Oh, I also have my camera, by the way, so if I see anything cool, I'll take a picture of it. Talk to some cops in there. Seem pretty cool. Alright. Oops. My bad. So if I hit the brakes right now, we slide. Oh, there's a plow coming. He's turning. Alright. Let's go! Wow. Four-wheel drive now. Not gonna go places I can get stuck. You know, I'm in the Jeep and I've gone through snow, but I don't just you know, I'm still sick here and I don't feel like getting stuck and having to call a fucking tow truck and all that other shit. Now also keep in mind this storm is still in its beginning stages here, you know. This is what I meant by fucking focusing here. All I have to do is tap the screen and it goes back in place. So. There's a good solid ½ inch of snow on the pavement here, so. Stop. Clear on the left, clear on the right. Let's turn. This is why I want to get a GoPro or an actual camcorder so I can lock down the focus of the camera instead of having to deal with that. So once again, if it goes out of focus, I'm sorry. It's not much I can do about it. God damn, fucking focus, camera. This is a tradition of mine ever since I moved into the house that we're in, before and after fire. This back lot here, they don't pay too much attention back here, so I usually do donuts and shit, but I'm in four-wheel drive, so ain't gonna happen too easily. And there's people over there shoveling, so let's not do it this time, but we'll definitely come back here tomorrow. Again, I'm not gonna fuck around here, I'm just kinda gonna drive around and see what's up, take some pretty pictures, and that'll be that. I got plenty of gas filled up, so I can afford to have some fun. As you know, owning a Wrangler, if you guys own one, Jeeps are known for their gas mileage, so. Stop sign. In the worst case scenario, I could stop filming and use my GPS, but you know, I'm in the neighborhood. I just don't go around this neck of the woods that often, so at night with the snowfall, it's like, I think I know where I am. Guy just went through a fucking red light, but you know, whatever, douchebag. He's going way too fucking fast too. What a fucking Well, they didn't really plow the Dunkin' Donuts section. Let's go in there and have some fun for a few minutes. Up here at my 12 o'clock, you'll see these red signs. It's actually a fucking Tesla station, charging station that they just put in. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Tesla charging stations. I have nothing against Tesla. I think it's a great up-and-coming company, and you can only expect good things from them. But I kind of thought this was a weird spot to put a charging station, you know? How stupid would it be for me to park right here and, oh wait, no, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, right. I get like an eighth. Not even that. Tesla's electric, so it doesn't even matter. I'm thinking of a Prius. Dunkin' Donuts is closed up here, that's good. Oh, my favorite liquor store, Yo Liquor Shop, which is open until 11 o'clock every day of the week, including Christmas Eve and major holidays. However, they can't sell alcohol on certain days. You know, gotta love those guys. They moved shops recently, like a couple years ago. Good guys. There have been days where I like literally left my wallet at the shop or at home or whatever, and they're like, whatever, just, you know, hit me up next time. So they're good guys. I go in there enough for friggin' groceries and stuff, you know. They're good guys. Post office on my left, and a freaking fire station, which this is one of the stations that tended to my house fire. I'm sure those guys are going to be pretty busy tomorrow. gonna go down here. I'm gonna see if the I mean, I call it the beach, but if I'm gonna see if the campground is open. A couple years ago it was, then last year it wasn't, which kind of sucked. Basically, it's a big open area. I take my telescope here. You've seen some video of mine. That's where I go sometimes. Can't really tell from the camera, by the way, but visibility is pretty bad. I can see about 5 car lengths in front of me, and then it's nothing, unless there's a light in the distance, you know. I just increased the exposure a little bit on the camera. You know, again, I'm going 15 here. I'm going like 20 miles an hour. This is nothing. This is what you know, should go in this kind of weather if you're out in it. Let's hit the brakes, see what happens. Oh, that was unexpected. I still can't get over, especially in this weather, how much difference those fog lights make. I mean, I can still see, but it's even showing up in the camera here. Like, damn. I mean, this high beams, low beams. I did it before, but damn. I am going to be putting on windshield lights. Those actually already arrived. I'm having a hard time getting out one of the hex bolts. It's stripped, and I have to have it tapped out or whatever. So, unfortunately, those aren't installed for this storm, but that's all right. These lights are doing a pretty good job on their own. There should be a cul-de-sac up here. Well, it's not plowed. And I don't think it's chained. Or fenced, or gated, whatever you want to call it. I just have no idea where the road is. Cool. My only problem is if I fucking get caught in here and or the gate is shut. I don't think that'll be a problem. Let's go down here, let's see if I can get a good look at the ocean. You won't be able to see it, but it's also all open out here too, so the wind is going to be a lot higher, snow drifts, etc. Apparently I'm not the only car that's been down here, or truck, because I can see some tire tracks, as you can see. Good solid 4 inches of snow on the ground. You know, this is probably plowed when it first started, but it hasn't been plowed since. This is rather interesting. I gotta fucking keep my eye on the ball here. Oh. What the fuck we got up here? A satellite dish? Maybe it's a news crew. That'd be pretty cool. Seriously, what the fuck is that? as you can see, it's down to pavement here, practically. Well, stone, seeing how this place is. Look, it might be a news crew. Tracking the store. This is rather interesting. Now you gotta be careful in this part of the neck of the woods, because this is a giant parking lot, and if you're not careful, you'll run over these fucking mounds, or more importantly, the yellow parking dividers, which will fuck you over in a heartbeat. I'm gonna get out here and take some video with my camera and see what I can get. Be right back, folks. Those would be plows. And yes, I put it in four-wheel drive for that. I fucking went through there before they came through. I would have been screwed. Alright, not a four-wheel drive. I think I'm out of four-wheel drive. Yeah, we're out of four-wheel drive. Wow, this is pretty bad for this major roadway here. Holy crap. I didn't think this would be this bad. I mean, you can see the pavement on the camera through the snow, but it's pretty bad. Like, I'm in two-wheel drive here. If I gunned it, I would lose traction here. In fact, I probably will lose traction going up this incline. It's a line of plows, maybe. Well, so much for going to Buzzards Bay. I mean, I could take the back roads, but that's fucking a no-no in this kind of weather. Car. What the fuck, people? I don't know what the fuck just happened up here. Unfortunately, I'm not going to get any closer. Oh, that sucks. That's a really shitty spot to have an accident on, too. Alright, let's go see what else we can get into. Let's go over here before we go home. Realize it was this steep. Let's just hope I can fucking get out of here. Some donuts. Back in four-wheel drive. Let's make it up this fucking mountain here. Come on, baby, go. Oh, we're going. But surely we're fucking going. Yeah. Well, that was fun. A bit of engine braking back there. probably one of the only fucking people out here, too, which is pretty interesting. You're the only one dumb enough to drive around. Yeah, but have you noticed how I haven't spun out? I haven't gotten stuck. I haven't fucked around. I've just been casually driving around for the past hour, you know? Again, a lot of snow here. Let's not. Whoop. Even the 24-hour McDonald's is closed. I don't think I've ever seen so many fucking plows in all my life. Jesus. Down here before, by the way.